Okay, then we will talk now about another physical property called density. What is the density? It's the amount of matter in a certain volume. The amount of matter in a certain volume. What does this mean? It means it's the mass divided by the volume. So, if I have the mass 40 kilograms and the volume 20 kilograms, so 40 divided by 20 equals what? Yes, equals 2 cubic centimeters per kilograms. This is the density. Okay? The density can tell us if something floats or sinks in a liquid. For example, if I have a beaker that has water, okay, and another one that has the same amount of water, and I have a plastic cover of a water bottle, and I have a stone, okay. Here I will put the plastic cover. What will happen to it? I will find that it will float. This is the plastic cover. Okay, and this is a stone or a rock. Okay, the plastic cover will float while the stone, it will sink. Why? Why do you think does the plastic cover float and the stone sink? Because the plastic cover is less dense or has less density than water, while the stone is higher density or has higher densities than water. Okay, so what is density? It's the amount of matter in a certain volume, or mass divided by volume. Okay, it can tell us if something will float or will sink in a liquid. If I have plastic cover and I have a stone, the plastic cover will float and the stone will sink. Why? Because the plastic cover has less density than the water, and the stone, it has higher density than the water. So the higher density object, they will sink, and the lower density object, or their density is less than the water, they will float. This is the density. And here we finished the physical properties of matter. What are they again? Mass, volume, density, temperature, color, shape, texture, odor. All these things are called physical properties of matter. Okay? Then we will discuss the states of matter. We knew now what is the matter, and then what are the properties of matter. Now we need to know what are the states of matter. We have 3 states of matter. What are they? Solid, yes, liquid, and gas. What is the solid? What is the liquid? What is the gas? They are states of matter, or how does this matter look like? Solids have definite shape, and definite volume. What does this mean? It means that the chair have a shape and have volume. The bag have shape and have volume. The disk have shape and have volume. The table, it has shape and has volume. Okay? What about the liquid? Liquid, it doesn't have definite shape. Doesn't have definite shape. Okay? But does it have definite volume? Yes, it has definite volume. Water takes the shape of the container. It takes the shape of the container, of the bottle, of the tank, of the pot, of the cup. Takes the shape of container. Okay? What about the gas? No definite shape, no definite volume. No shape for the gas and no volume. Okay? How does they look like, the particles? The solid particles, you will find them sticking like this to each other, very close to each other. These are called solid particles when I find them very close or sticking like this to each others. Okay? What about the liquid? There is small spaces in between them. There is some space between them. Okay? What about the gas? There is a very huge space between the air particles. So here the particles are very close to each others. Okay? Here small space or spaces between particles. And here huge or large spaces between the gas particles. Okay?